Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to dive into the topic that's more relevant than ever, cybersecurity. If you're a complete beginner or you just want to brush up your skills, this video is for you. So let's get started. Cybersecurity is more important than ever, with cybercrimes evolving daily. Do you know that the cybercrime is projected to cost the world $10.5 billion annually by 2025? In this video, we will explore what cybersecurity is, common threats, essential concepts, career paths, and how can you get started. So let's get into it. So what is exactly cybersecurity? In simple terms, cybersecurity involves protecting computer systems, networks, and data from digital attacks. This protection covers hardware, software, and data, ensuring that everything from your personal information to the critical infrastructure remains safe from the harm. So cybersecurity is crucial for the individuals, businesses, and the governments. As we become more reliant on the digital technology, the risk associated with the cyber threats increase. Consider well-known incidents like WannaCry ransomware attack or the Equifax data breach. These events highlight the devastating impact cyber attacks can have on both our personal and global scale. Let's talk about some common cyber threats. These include malware, phishing, ransomware, and DDoS attacks. Malware is malicious software designed to damage or disable computers. Phishing involves tricking individuals into revealing personal information. The ransomware locks users out of their systems until a ransom is paid. DDoS attacks overwhelm the networks with the traffic, causing disruptions. The example, WannaCry attack used ransomware to target systems worldwide. The Equifax breach exposed sensitive data of the millions of people. These threats highlight the need for robust cybersecurity measures. In cybersecurity, we often talk about CIA Triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality ensures that the information is only accessible to those authorized to see it. Integrity means that the data remains accurate and unaltered. Availability ensures that the systems and the data are accessible when needed. Another fundamental concept is AAA: Authentication, Authorization, and Accounting. Authentication verifies user identity. Authorization determines the access levels, and the accounting tracks the user activities. Encryption is critical for protecting the data. It involves encoding information so only the authorized parties can access it and ensuring privacy and security. Understanding these concepts is very important for knowing the basics of cybersecurity. There are many tools available to help secure systems. Common ones include antivirus software, firewalls, intrusion detection systems. Antivirus software protects against the malicious software, while firewalls act as the barriers between the trusted and untrusted networks. Intrusion detection system monitors network traffic for the suspicious activities. More advanced techniques include penetration testing and ethical hacking. Tools like Kali Linux and Metasploit are used by professionals to test and strengthen security measures. Cybersecurity offers a variety of career paths. Some common roles include security analyst, penetration tester, security engineer. Each role requires specific skills and certifications. For example, a security analyst might need a certification like CompTIA Security Plus or CISSP. Career progression in cybersecurity can be rapid, with opportunities to advance into higher levels of position, such as Chief Information Security Officer (CISO). The demand for cybersecurity professionals is high and making it promising field. If you are new to cybersecurity, there are many online courses and resources to help you get started. Websites like Coursera, Udemy, TryHackMe, Hack the Box offer excellent beginner courses. Building a home lab is a great way to gain practical experience. If you set up a virtual machines, practice using different cybersecurity tools in a safe environment. Networking with the professionals is also crucial. Join cybersecurity communities and forums like Reddit Cybersecurity, or attend local meetups and conferences to attend with others in the field. To recap, cybersecurity is vital in protecting our digital world. Understanding the basics, common threats, fundamental concepts, and career paths can help you get started on your journey. Thanks for watching this video. And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. So let me know what topics would you like to see in the future. Stay safe and secure.